I'm Joris van der Heijden. I'm the Program Manager in the Bioservices Group at Starfish Medical. As a Program Manager, I'm often involved from really early on, all the way until the end of a program, making sure that we solve the right problems, that we have the right team, and that we deliver the right solution. So what is unique about running a bioservices program versus any other program that delivers a medical device? Well, in bioservices, we very often find ourselves designing and developing a facilitator product. And what do I mean with that? Is that the core of the product is actually the biology that needs to take place. So take, for example, a diagnostic device. The reagents that make the reaction happen, the assay happen, and actually providing the right output at the end of the reaction, the right value that the customer needs to learn about the diagnostic assay. It's that's the real value of the product. So what we're doing is we're developing a device around the biology to facilitate that biology. How does it change a program when we design a program for a facilitator product? Well, in a facilitator product, we can much quicker get to a meaningful prototype that shows that the core technology works, which we call proof of concept, which is a major milestone in every product development program. To get to that proof of concept in a very nimble and budget-friendly way, we want to work with a small and dedicated team. Well, at Starfish, we're very lucky because we have a lot of very experienced engineers in our midst, and having very dedicated people that know what they're doing and can take and own a problem, carry it all the way on to the end. That's how we can be innovative, stay innovative, and also iterate quickly. So generating prototypes, testing them out, iterating and testing again until we hit a predefined point where we say, now the technology works, now we're happy with where the prototype is at. That's the core concept of early product development in a lean and nimble way. If you're interested to learn more about any of these concepts that I just discussed, please read my blog and you'll find a little bit more background into any of these elements.